Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add products to your WordPress store. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I am using an article on the internet. The reason being is because I can't install plugins, and for this you do need the WooCommerce plugin to actually create a storefront. So because I can't use it, I will be showing you guys through this here instruction set with pictures, so everything should be good. Now, this instruction set is on how you can create a catalog, which doesn't have the add to cart feature, just so that you can list your products. However, I'll be in parallel explaining on what you can do to just list your products normally with the add cart button. Now, what you need to do is to have WooCommerce installed, and if you want to create a product catalog, you should install a Yith as well. So install those two plugins depending on what you want. WooCommerce is needed for both. Yith is just if you want to create a catalog without prices or without a buy icon. Now, what you need to do is you just need to go install the Yith plugin. Then once you activate it, go into Yith and catalog mode, and then configure the plugin settings for catalog mode, and people will be able to view it as a catalog instead of having the add to cart button if you turn it on. Now, you can also disable the shop and step 2, and this will hide whatever you want from being able to be purchased if you want a catalog. If you don't want it, just skip over this step. You won't need the Yith plugin. So let's go over on how you can add products to your store. Now, to add products, you just need to go into WooCommerce, go into products, and then add new, and then enter all the necessary information such as the product name, product description, images, the regular price, and the sale price. And once you're finished with that, you can just go into the shop. You can just publish your product, repeat it for as many products as you want, and then just go into your site /shop, and there you'll see all your products like this. And once you're done with that, that is pretty much it. Your products will be listed out, and that is all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.